Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Haven't done a video in a while. I'll keep this short and sweet. The older style Mavericks, mine's 2014. It has a squeak when you're driving. Very annoying, don't like squeaks. Basically what it is, it's in your shocks. And I'll show you how to fix it. I've already done the front. Basically you need a jack like this, an 18 millimeter, 16 millimeter, and you're gonna take the shocks right off it and put them on the bench. And you're gonna see there's two O-rings in each shock, and there's a little swivel inside the shock. Well, the rubbers dry up, and that's the noise you'll get. I'm going to jack it up, and you might be able to hear the noise. And see if yours does this. You hear this creaking noise going up and down the trail, and it's very annoying. Or at least it is to me, because I don't like noises. So basically, with the jack in the center, jack both wheels right off the ground. If my jack will go that high. Alright, we're going to be good. So both wheels, just a little bit off the ground. Inside the shocks, mine's a little muddy, I was out yesterday. There's a bolt here, and a nut on the other side. The bolt's 16, the nut is 18 millimeters. Same with at the top, very top of your shock. One there, nuts kind of on the inside, can barely see it. You're going to take those off, pull the shock off, take it over to the bench, and we're going to have a fix. The front does the exact same thing. Jack the center of your machine up, put your jack right in the center, jack both front wheels. I've already done the front. There's bolt nut there, and a bolt and a nut up there. Come out very easily. Take them to your bench, and then we're going to show you here in a minute what you do. Okay, we got the shock out. Took like 2 minutes. Here's the eyelet of the shock. Basically, you take a screwdriver, and you're going to pry these little eyes out of there. You'll see it moving. Of course, you drop them. Same with this side. Just slightly. That comes right out. Find the other one I dropped. Now inside there's two O-rings. That is the squeak, because it's rubber on metal. One on this side, pop that one out. Now as you can see inside these shocks, the eyes, see that? That's the swivel I'm talking about. You want to make sure that's able to swivel. You want to get that nice and free. So what I like to do is I like this deep creak made by Seafoam. I spray it into there, work it with my fingers, get it all nice and good. And when I get ready to put it all back together, I use Never Seas. Right there, part number 332. Works really good. It's a brake lube, basically. What that'll do is that'll keep those O-rings, and you can still see some leftover stuff. I do this about every 2 years, because I can't stand squeaks. That one's moving really good. Anyway, you put a nice coating in there, fill it right up, put your O-rings and put your things back on. And then you're going to do the front ones. Same way, pop them off, pop the bottom off, O-rings. Make sure everything's moving. Put a bunch of lube in there, and then reinstall on the machine. It takes about an hour to do all four. Just a nice little tip, something easy to do, and you'll remove the Am Squeak. Anyway, hope this helps you. Have a good day.